A further option for trying to slow or cut the outbreak is to test people for the disease. Now, clearly the people who are already in hospital and known to be sick with the disease have already been tested, so this is tests for the rest of the circulating population. That's everybody who is still susceptible, who has only got mild or very mild symptoms, and everybody who has already recovered. So the probability of a test actually finding people who are infected is the infected fraction of that whole circulating population. Now, the way this works is that you sketch in a pattern for the growth in the number of tests per day that can be carried out, and you also sketch in the number of those tests that are reserved for medical staff. So the number available for the general population is the difference between those two. So click on the maximum tests per day and sketch in a different pattern for the growth in the number of tests. Alternatively, you can click the data drop down for the number of tests per day and enter values directly into each day of the series. You can also set the percent of infected contacts that are actually found by these tests and a reliability rate for the tests. Lastly, you can set the percent of people who are isolated following testing who die, and a reasonable baseline assumption is that their mortality is similar to that of the average population.